Baca here again, Las Cruces Motorsports. Wanted to touch base on this new CANAM Ryker 900 that we got in here. Real nice unit that we got. Also wanted to go over the customized accessories that we put on here. First of all, we went with the color panels here on the side and front hood here. Gonna give it a nice good look there. Gonna offset the black from any other unit that's out there on the street. Also what we've done here is we added this adjustable windscreen. It's gonna provide ultimate protection from any wind, rocks coming out from the road. Gonna protect you for the full face front right there. Also what we added on this here is a passenger seat here. This allows you to also take off the passenger seat. It comes with this mounting bracket right here, which allows you to add any other Ryker accessory to put on here. You can also add any different color panels there if you want to change it. You can change it any day you want to. Different color panels allows you to change the look of your bike at all times. Also a nice feature we have here inside the dealership. Customers want to come in here, take a look at the Ryker and see what actually looks like with different panels on here. You can come to the screen, touch here, customize. We got different stuff here. Shows you everything you need to do. And pretty much that's all we got going on right now here. So any questions, come on down, ask for Ray. We'll help you out.